Marianne Binetti, and today I'm going to talk to you about summer pruning of roses. I'm in my rose garden today, and it doesn't matter if you have hybrid tea roses, which are the traditional roses with the tall stems, usually a single flower at the end of the stem, or if you have floribunda roses, what you're going to do is deadhead or take off the faded blooms that are dead at the top of the head and follow the rose back to do some summer pruning, because this is going to encourage more blooms. So this is a hybrid tea rose. You can see that it's already starting to fade or bloom out. I'm simply going to take my clippers, follow the stem all the way down until I get to a place where there's 5 leaflets. So here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A great place to make a cut. And this will go into the compost pile. Now, if it's still good, because I tend to cut my roses before all the petals have fallen off, I'll float this in a bowl of water for a while, knowing that it's not going to last very long as a cut flower. But let's go to this floribunda rose. This is a rose that's more difficult for people to prune because all the faded flowers are in a cluster, but then there's new fresh flowers coming in. What you want to do is find the dead roses and follow the entire cluster down. So I removed the cluster of dead roses, and look at that. Dang, there's some fresh roses that haven't quite bloomed out, but it's still important to get the dead roses off so that we can encourage new growth. So that's going to go down. So let me show you again. Here's a dead cluster of roses. I will follow that all the way down. You can go quite far into the plants. The reason I like to go far is because if you go deep into the plant, you're also removing leaves like this that have little black spots on them, the start of black spot. So summer pruning not only encourages more new growth, makes the bushes look tidy because you're removing the spent flowers, but also it encourages the elimination of the black spot or any disease on the rose leaves. So there you have it. I got some more pruning to do on this rose. Don't be afraid to get snippy with your roses in the summer. It's good for them. This has been Marianne Binetti with Easy Answers for Great Gardens.